Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited guys because I was on a restriction. Blake told me I could not decorate for Halloween until October 1st. And I'm getting away with it a little because today is Sunday, September 29th. Close enough, right? Because I work on October 1st. So we are gonna decorate for Halloween today. I'm so excited. So right now, let me show you the setup. I just finished filming. This is my makeshift tripod right now because I don't have a tripod yet, but I'll get one. But I have my ring light up. I just finished filming right there, baking pumpkin cream cheese bars. There they are baking right now. They look so good. Don't mind my dirty oven. But I'm just waiting for those to finish up. So I figured in the meantime, we should start pulling out some decorations. So I'm gonna put you guys on this chair and let's see what we can find. There we go, that works. All right, so I think I'm gonna have to do some moving around. I honestly don't even know where, sorry it's so dark, where my Halloween DVDs are. Let's see. Okay. Christmas tree, don't need that yet. So I found my Halloween box and then I found my wedding box, which has like my wedding dress and like a lot of pictures and stuff in it. So I pulled out some like fall photos to put on our like little board that we have in our room so we can fall it up in there. I have some little Polaroids I found too. So I'm gonna put those up there. But I just thought this was so funny. So I still have my, where did it go? My diploma, that's important. So I still have this freaking scrapbook. I've been telling myself since we got married in March 2018 to pick out pictures. You can see how well I've done with that. I really need to go and print them, and I want to print some new pictures as well because I don't even have any printed pictures with Nala, so I need to do that. So I'm adding that to my list. But anyway, at least I got my Halloween box, so we can work on that next. All right, so here is our Halloween box. I honestly don't even know how much we have in here because last year Nala ate my foam pumpkins I bought, and last year we were living with my parents, so I don't think I pulled everything out. But let's see. Now I have this one. Cute. It's super dirty, so we're gonna have to wash that. And then I have my VHSs. I literally have no idea where I put my Halloween DVDs, but at least I have these to watch for now and whatever the heck is on Netflix. This is just a Gryffindor robe. And then I have my pumpkin blanket. I love this pumpkin blanket. It's so cute. That's July 4th, Easter, birthday. Okay, so none of this really applies. Valentine's Day. I think all that's left is just this box. Oh look, my little boo. I bought that at Goodwill, fun fact. And then more birthday stuff. Okay, so lastly is this box. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, most of this is just socks. So we got all of my Halloween socks. We've got this. This one is super cute. It lights up, so I'll put that out. And then we've got, so I have some cupcake tins, so I guess we'll have to make some cupcakes this year. And then I have some Halloween, these are like dish towels, so I'll put those out. And then a ton of socks. Yay, it's time to start wearing Halloween socks. I'm so happy. Oh, and then down here I have some stickers. Ooh, spooky. So yeah, that looks like all I have for Halloween. I definitely thought I had more decorations, so probably have to do a little run so I can snazz up the place. I also used to have a Halloween mat, but that got destroyed last year, so that's okay. We'll just have to get some new stuff and probably not get a ton of stuff because this already fits super well in the box, and I don't want to buy a ton of stuff while we're living in an apartment and we don't have a ton of room. So we'll still make it look super cute in here. Nella's in her element on the porch right now while I decorate inside. Are you happy? Are you happy? And Blake is in the room watching football. I don't know if you can hear that at all, but let's decorate. All right, we've got our very spooky pumpkins all lit up. Gonna add them over here. We're just doing little touches, but that's cute, right? All right, so here's how we're looking right now. Oops, don't mind this fluff on the couch. So we've got our cute little pumpkin blanket. We have our Happy Halloween pillow. We have our Boo to You sign, and I just hid the battery pack behind there. And then I have the lights chilling here. I want to replace that America book with something spooky. I just need to find something. And then here are the pumpkin cream cheese bars. I'm about to cut into them, they look so good. And then I've got our little dish towels here. I'm gonna take to my room because that's where I have my VHS player. Again, still have no idea where my DVDs went, but whatever, what can you do? At least we've got some to watch this year until we find them. All right, so I'm gonna take America away and I'm just gonna replace it with our most spookiest books I could find. So don't mind Nala's hair. This table we clean literally every day, and since it's black, there's always yellow dog hair. Probably shouldn't have gotten a black coffee table, but you know. So we have Miss Peregrine's Home for Peculiar Children, one of my absolute favorites. Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, another great one. And Dracula, another amazing Halloween book. So we're gonna leave these here. Ooh, spooky. Back after, so I'm just gonna leave it here. Maybe for Christmas we'll put a Christmas book, you know what I mean? All right guys, what do you think? How does it look? I'm hiding the candle back there until I get like an orange one for fall. Wait, I think I have one, hold on. Here is my little candle stash. What do you think? Is this one a little bit better for Halloween? Let's do this one. Okay, I think that looks a little nicer, so we'll put this guy away for a little bit. And I think I still kind of want to put this one behind, like over here, or maybe how about here, and then we'll just hide the lid. There we go, that's the ticket. And I'll go light this candle and I think it'll be even more beautiful. So cute. Oh my goodness. I'm so proud that just a few decorations could make it look so cute. I'm so happy with it. Blake's gonna come approve of my work.
Oh, looks nice.
Isn't it cute? Nala, what do you think? You like it?
Nala's a fan.
She likes
She's
it.
gonna destroy those lights.
No, she's not.
I like it.
Thanks, Blakers. Cool. I think we might need to get a couple more decorations, like a patio mat, you know? That's really it.
What is that over there?
Those are our bars we're about to try.
Hey, Rose, baby.
I know, they got so high. So guys, I just found out Halloween Town is on PlayStation View. So I'm currently watching Halloween Town. I just made myself some avocado toast and I have a peach bubbly. I'm just like in my happy little element right now. Don't mind that little sticker on there. And then I have my book as well once I finish eating. So I can just relax because I've gotten everything done on my list today. And it's time for some spooky Halloween.